Tecno just introduced the Phantom V Flip, the company's first clamshell foldable smartphone. It has a circular OLED screen with two cameras and a LED flash in the ring around it, while it has a massive 6.9-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED display. The Phantom V Flip is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset with the octa-core CPU that goes as high as 3.0 GHz. It is announced with the 256 GB storage and 8 GB of RAM, which can be extended further with 8 GB through an extended memory software feature. The 22:9 foldable panel supports an 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1000 nits. The 1.32 external display offers several widgets, serves notification, and can be used as a viewfinder for shooting selfies with a more capable camera. The 64 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture PDAF. The other is a 13 megapixel ultra wide shooter that has autofocus as well. The camera on the inside is a punch hole. It has a 32 megapixel camera sensor. When unfolded, the device is under 7-meter thickness, and Tecno has placed a 4000 mAh battery. It supports 45-watt charger with the charger provided in the box, and Tecno claims only 15 minutes of charge will give you half the battery and you can use it for the full day. The Phantom V Flip features a custom personal assistant known as Ella GPT, which brings intelligent features, which is Tecno's answer to Google, Siri, Bixby, and Celia. They are offering it in two colors, black and purple. The price is around 50,000 Indian rupees, which is around $605. The pricing in Europe is around €700, but it's still very cheap compared to the big companies.